So we put our heads together thinking what a smartwatch should be. A smartwatch cannot and should not replace your smartphone. It's there to tell you time, to notify you about any incoming calls or messages when you're away from your smartphone, to track the quality of sleep, and generally to track your well-being and fitness. In addition to all of the above, OnePlus Watch is also beautiful. The design is minimal, a sleek frame with two side buttons, one of which has the name of your favorite brand, OnePlus. But there's more to it. The OnePlus Watch uses 316L stainless steel for amazing durability. Just to give you an idea, this is the material used in making surgical scalpels. Each watch is polished by hand, with 20 different treatments to create a range of eye-catching finishes, making this process akin to art. Watch glass curves into the casing, so not only it feels good on your wrist, it looks good as well. The watch case is 46mm in size. Yes, it is a bit on the bigger side, but even if you have smaller wrists, it still looks stylish. See it for yourself. It comes in two colors, moonlight silver and midnight black. You're not buying just a smartwatch, you're buying a great watch. But let's be honest, OnePlus would not be OnePlus if we didn't challenge ourselves even further, exploring ways to extend the OnePlus experience to all of our fans, especially the ones with the highest standards, is in our DNA. From unibody aluminum to matte frosted glass to electrochromic glass, we have always brought material innovations to our products. And today, for the first time ever, Smartwatch World will have another material innovation coming as part of OnePlus Watch, Cobalt Limited Edition. The material that makes this watch special is cobalt alloy. This is a rare material with twice the hardness of stainless steel. It makes for an excellent choice in terms of durability. But it does take a little extra work, and the material is so difficult to work with that 50% of all the watch samples are rejected. But the other 50% that do end up getting on your wrists will be gorgeous to look at. Cobalt alloy has the polishing and the glassiness that is unmatched in the smartwatch world. And it is hypoallergenic because it doesn't have any nickel in it. The second material that makes OnePlus Watch Limited Edition special is sapphire glass, material traditionally used in luxury watches. It is virtually unscratchable. As for the display, the OnePlus Watch comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display and up to 326 ppi. That is amazingly sharp, crisp resolution, to the point you can't see the pixels, and that's how you know it's a good screen, when you don't see the pixels. We design a lot of different watch faces, more than 50. So you easily find one that's right for you. Or you can also take a photo with the phone and personalize the watch face based on the same shade of color in the image. We have made sure it's easy to swap out our strap, so you can use any standard-sized third-party strap you like. Why not go for our fluoro rubber strap? It is extremely durable and it is super lightweight. And our limited edition also comes with a leather strap. The watch is beautiful, that's for sure. What about its features? Watch is connected with us in a way no other device is. It's literally on our skin. So with that in mind, we didn't just design the OnePlus Watch for fashion, but as a device that puts your personal well-being front and center. This is a device loaded with sensors to help you monitor and better understand your health, fitness, and environment. Let's take an example of blood oxygen level monitoring with OnePlus Watch. You go for a hike, and as the altimeter shows high altitude, you want to check your blood oxygen level and get the data after a short period of time. With the OnePlus Watch, you can do that. And after you have set up the time for the night and go to sleep, the watch will track your blood oxygen levels as well as other sleep indicators. Sometimes, when you're working long hours, the watch will remind you to stand up and stretch a little, and that'll be a perfect time to do some breathing exercise to calm you down, because you're having a big presentation coming up. So you enter the elevator and you check up on your watch just to make sure you're not feeling too nervous or too anxious. After all, this is your big moment. Another way of getting healthy is by getting fit. The OnePlus Watch supports more than 110 workout modes to help you get moving any way you want while tracking your activity levels and calories burned. From running in the morning to anti-gravity yoga in the afternoon to dancing in the evening, we have workout modes for even the most demanding of you. And when you do head out for a jog, you want your music with you, but maybe not your phone. You can drop your music onto the OnePlus Watch, then just link it with your OnePlus Buds, and you're ready to go. Up to 500 songs. With the built-in GPS, it will still track all your activity accurately, even when your phone is not next to you. The OnePlus Watch with its IP68 rating is water and dust resistant, meaning go swimming or even go dirt bike riding. But that is just one part of it. We already mentioned in the beginning that your smartwatch cannot and should not replace your smartphone. It should, however, help you seamlessly connect with the smart devices. A smartwatch works best when it's a bridge between you and other digital devices, allowing for more truly seamless interactions. So the OnePlus Watch gives you a natural solution, letting you answer the code, check the message, or view notifications even when your hands are full. Your watch can seamlessly connect with a smartphone, but what if we told you that your watch will be able to also seamlessly connect with the OnePlus TV? And not only that, it'll also act as remote controller. It'll turn down the volume and turn off the TV, even when you forget to do it yourself. First, remote controller. Your watch can also be used to navigate the content on your TV, to turn up and turn down the volume, as well as to turn on and off the TV. Secondly, whenever your watch is connected to OnePlus TV and you have an incoming call, the TV will automatically lower the volume so you can comfortably answer the call on your watch. And thirdly, and this one is the most exciting one, you're watching TV and you fall asleep. Common thing, it happens to everyone, but then you have OnePlus Watch on your wrist and it detects when you fall asleep. After 30 minutes of sleep, watch will instruct the TV to turn off. How cool is that? Now, you have to wait some time to try out this feature. But you know what they say? Good things come to those who wait. The OnePlus Watch makes so many things easier, and one way it gets even easier is battery life. Because what good is a watch you have to take off and charge every day, right? So, here's the number that's going to make a difference. 2 weeks. That's how long the OnePlus Watch can go between charges when we measure that using the industry standard battery test, up to 2 weeks of use. And if you're a heavy user, you'll be happy to hear that the OnePlus Watch will comfortably last you for a week on a single charge. Because technology done right is technology you don't have to think about. And we're giving it the word charger lock from OnePlus phones. So when you do have to pause to charge it, you can get up to a week's power on just 20 minutes. 1 week in 20 minutes. That's just crazy. I bet some of you will even forget how your watch charger looks like.